The shift is here, and it's time to take a step forward. These new electric trucks are tools for cleaner and quieter heavy-duty deliveries within and between cities. They're here to meet the demands from society and customers for dramatic cuts in CO2 and sustainable transportation. An ambition we share all the way. Meet Volvo FM Electric. A highly flexible truck built for local and regional distribution. Volvo FMX Electric. Strong, durable, less noise. Perfectly suited for urban construction. Volvo FH Electric. High payload, excellent comfort. Designed for city-to-city transports. And to everyone eager to start using electric transport, we say, we aim to make this an easy transition. So, we've evolved the driveline, but everything else is the same. The flexible and dependable Volvo truck, the extensive dealer network, and all-embracing service packages, upgraded with the electric customers' needs in mind. With battery monitoring, range and route planning, and more to keep you productive and in control, in the cab and in the office. So, let's take this step forward together and speed up the shift to fossil-free transports.